M's Luxe. This is kind of the stuff you'll see on my channel. So if you want to see how I kind of do my creative process, how I go from just like normal wearable makeup to kind of more out there, fun, weird stuff, keep on watching. Yeah, just get on in there. Rip and tear. Let's go. Let's get it. Yeah. Alright, so I just kind of did my basics, kind of things that I feel like everybody kind of has their own routine for, that I don't really want to film every single video doing. So that's just like my base. So my foundation, concealer, my eyebrows, and then I primed my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm going to start off with the Dream Street palette. We're probably just going to go into ColourPop shades today. I've been really into just single shadows. They're just more convenient for me. I like them more that way. So, my brushes are dirty. This is real life. I'm going to go in with the M433 brush. And I'm just going to start putting that up in my crease. This is just gonna, I really like this transition shade. It's more of a warm toned shade. It's really good for pale skin if you just want a transition shade for warmer tones. It's my ultimate favorite. What is this called? Stardust. Fun. But no, this Dream Street palette, girl, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And I think it was only like $16. Like, okay. Now, I always connect. It drives me absolutely insane when people don't connect their bottom lash line to their top shadow. It's one of my pet peeves. Do it. This is probably my favorite shape for my eyes. Is like a swooped out moment into like a V. I have really big like bug eyes. But they're very, like, round, so I like to bring it out, like, this way to give myself more of, like, a whole face look instead of, like, these giant circles just in the middle of my head. Doing the same thing to the other side, trying to make them match as much as possible is the goal. So, I kind of want to take this video just to kind of tell you what I want to do with my channel. I am not a beauty guru. Like, I am not like some fancy schmance, everything's perfect, I take great Instagram photos. I'm not good at this. Like, I love doing makeup. It's how I express myself. It's like my creative outlet. But it's definitely more for fun. Like, this is how I express myself. This is what I do. Like, this is what I love, type of thing. I am not good with being fancy. I'm a very real person. That one's annoying. Anyways, but I'm really just not like a big fancy beauty guru, and that's not what I'm trying to really do here. I want this channel to be more fun. I want it to be more laid back. I definitely wanted to just be a place where we can sit down and talk about life while doing makeup and having fun. Alright, so I'm going to use some ColourPop single shadows. This is Made to Last. It's this one right here. And this is just one of the like ColourPop like magnetized palettes that you just kind of like buy a shade and make it your own. So I'm going to start by actually packing this onto the entire lid area with the same M433. We're not looking for perfection here. We're having fun! So I'm just following that same pattern, really, to the outside. But I do want my channel to be more creative than anything. Like, it'll definitely be wearable, but it'll be like luxe wearable, which is pretty much you do your normal stuff and then you add a bunch of stuff to make it not normal anymore. I just like adding small elements to make it look a little bit more interesting, to make the makeup look a little bit more fun. It's looking very brown and I don't want that in my life. So we're gonna go into Get Out. Alright, another dirty brush. And this is a Paul Mitchell brush. I got this when I went to school, at a Paul Mitchell school, so I don't really know if you can buy them, but and they don't really have names or anything, so I'm sorry, I wish that was more helpful. Now, I go on the bottom and I swoop up first with like more detailed brushes. I like to really do that because this is what's really gonna like make the outer V thing really look like a V. You know? And I like to start with that to give myself somewhat of a guideline for the top. And I think I want to do like a halo moment, kind of. Now, I'm not the most clean blender. I'm definitely more of a messy, all over the place blender. But I really like to pack the shadows and then blend them. I also like to just get this done. You know what I mean? Like, I like to do my makeup and stuff, but I also don't need it to take 3 hours, if not necessary. I'm a drag queen, and I need to be on in, like, 5 minutes. And we're going, okay? We're just getting it done. Yeah, halo moment. Okay, alright, okay. Just packing that on the inside. Like so. I'm a very matte person too, so we'll see if this even has any shimmer on it. I like to add glitter as like accents and stuff, but for the most part, my shadows are very just matte colors. But you know what we could do? We could could do like a cute little glossy mouth. Just using regular lip gloss and a M416 from Morphe. So I'm just going to take a little off. We're going to put it right up in that like little halo-y. Here we go. I dig it. Okay, I have these really cool like gears that I've been wanting to play with. Screw it, we're putting it right here. Now, one tip. You always want to do your like full face before you start adding stuff, or else it's gonna look weird. These little ones are definitely the better choice, but I'm not scared. No. This is what I love to do. This is so fun. Okay. All right. Ready? I think this will be the last one I add though. I think after that, I just look ridiculous. Alright, I'm just going to do mascara. I don't really want to do any lashes with this look, I don't think. But if you want bomb lashes, Unicorn Cosmetics are the bomb. Their forget-me-not lashes are seriously my favorites. Okay, and then I'm just going to pop on like a nude lipstick. So I'm going to go in with 61 Matte Naked from Milani. So this is like the end. I really liked how it turned out. It was actually really cute. And that's just kind of my process. So I know it's a little out of the ordinary. I know it's a little weird. But I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoy my style. So I hope you guys kind of just stick with me a little bit and see how this channel develops. I'm pretty excited to see where we go. I have some really fun ideas. I don't know how to end these. I don't know how to do them. So bye!